be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jadasimone and you're watching Vlogmas with Jadasimone. So today's video is not going to be a vlog, but we are going to be doing a hair unboxing, and y'all, I'm so excited. This is about to be my first wig. Like, I'm so excited. Like, y'all, I really can't contain my excitement. And I've had this wig since Thursday and it's Sunday. Y'all, I've had this wig for how many days? Friday, Saturday, 3 days. And I haven't been able to open this wig. And I was waiting to do the unboxing so I could open up the wig and all that. And I will be doing a transformation wig video for you guys, so you guys can see how I transform the wig from how it comes out this package to how it's gonna be on my head, and hopefully it comes out really good. So stay tuned for that. I'm so excited. But yeah, let's just hop right into this unboxing. So the hair I ordered for today's unboxing video is from Westkiss hair, and y'all, I'm so excited. I literally did not even take a peek at the hair. Like, you guys will be seeing the hair as I'm seeing the hair, so we're just gonna dive right into it. So the hair came in this UPS packaging. It's just like the standard express packaging for UPS, so we're just gonna open it. And I don't have scissors, so we just gonna be ripping. Oh shoot, I done ripped the piece off. Yo, I'm so excited. Like, oh my gosh. So the first thing I see, well, that's the only thing. So I just took this out and the pack is empty. So the first thing I see is the Westkiss hair satin bag, and it says love your hair, kiss your beauty. And y'all, this is so freaking cute. I have somewhere to put my wig on when I'm not wearing her. The first thing I'm pulling out is a wig cap, and yeah, it just says deluxe wig cap, superior quality, and it's cute. This is a regular wig cap. I think it's gonna be too light for me, but I could probably always just put my powder, my makeup powder, on top of this. And I think that was all that came in. Oh, an elastic band also came with the wig so that I can sew it for like extra security. And we have the wig. So that's all that came, is the wig cap, the elastic band, and the wig. So we're gonna open up the wig. So this wig is a 6x6 closure wig. I'm pretty sure it's Indian texture, and it's 16 inches. I know for a fact it's 16 inches, and it's a small cap because, y'all, I have a peanut head. I have a little baby peanut head. So that's the specs on this wig. So this is how it comes when you take it out of the pack. Y'all see it's body wave, and it has like this styrofoam and then tissue paper and then the net, so I'm gonna take that off. So inside the wig, it also came with the adjustable clasp, like, you know how like the bra strap you have on like the clasp. So it came with 2 of these, and this is just how the wig looks straight out the pack. She looks very like soft and silky. Like, just looking at this wig looks very soft and silky. There's no weird smell. It just smells like weave. Like, it smells like hair. Like, it smells like hair, and I actually like the smell of hair. And as you guys can see, it is a 6x6 closure, so a lot of parting space. And it comes with how many combs? It comes with 2 combs inside, and then it has like the adjustable band where I can put like these thingies, the clasp thingies that came in. You can clasp them on. And yeah, it just says, in the tag, it just says human hair wigs 100%, and that's it. So y'all, I'm so excited about this wig. Like, it's so freaking soft. She's short, but I wanted like a short, like regular length wig because I didn't want to do too much for my first wig, but depending on how this wig goes, I might be getting a long straight middle part closure wig. We'll see. I'm really leaning towards like the long straight middle part wig, but like, yeah, y'all, I love her already. Like, she's so freaking soft. I can tell that this wig is probably gonna be bomb for me. Like, I don't know if I might cut her into a bob. Like, she's really short. Like, I didn't expect her to be this short, but I mean, I guess I did get 16 inches, so she might be cut into a bob, but then she might not. She might just be like cute curl. I might do like, you know, flip her to a middle part, I mean flip her to a side part, and she could be real cute, grown, sexy. I'm feeling her. Okay guys, so that is it for today's hair unboxing from Westkiss hair. Again, this hair is not sponsored. I purchased it with my own money, so this is 100% my opinions, my thoughts, and right off the bat, I freaking love the wig. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like the video, comment down below, and I will see y'all on the next day of Vlogmas. Bye guys.
And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas.